On today's agenda, we're gonna remove all kinds of tree stumps from the trees I cut down yesterday. This will open everything up here and to make the road wide enough to be traveled with heavy equipment. The stump size is way too big to just grab and lift out, and puts way too much stress on the excavator, so I'm just dragging it out and then pushing it away with the blade. So just remove that tree stem. It's very unusual on the island in general that you have this much, or in our area, this much earth. I want to see how deep we can go here. So I'm just gonna, since it's a big hole already anyway, might as well check it out. Curious. I don't think you can go much deeper there. Still not the bottom. I'm gonna fall here maybe. Water's rushing into. After a certain depth, it goes from the sandy again to kind of gravel, the stuff that came out there. Pretty easy to get water through. It's gonna fill up in no time. I'll fill that back up. Here I'm trying just to make it level as possible, that way you have to do less grading later. Starting to look pretty good. The stump removed, fairly graded. On to more tree removal of the trees that I cut down yesterday. Saves with this tree size, easier just to push it out of the way. These stumps here were pretty easy to remove since most of the material within the roots is pretty sandy. With the trees I felt that way, they're very easy just to push right into the forest without cutting anything whatsoever. Super nice. You can see a very good view looking backwards how much work has been done already. This was all very dense forest, tiny little trail, couldn't even do it with the ATV. Today's progress, widen this a lot more. We are just about to turn at the feeding trough. There's not much left to go, but there's lots of work left to be done. Some big tree stumps we took out today. Dug them out. There's a couple stumps right there. Cleared, opened this further up, wasn't wide enough. There's still, I don't know, gotta look further down which side I go, left or right, because I don't think there's enough space. Looking pretty opened up here. Tomorrow we will continue moving down towards the feeding trough and clearing a little bit more there, but in general looks pretty good already, and we're doing good progress. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe if you made it this far. See you next time.